Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is normal distribution. In the normal distribution we will learn a result on normal distribution. In the result we will discuss the distribution of linear combination of normal variate. So let us start with the result of distribution of linear combination of a normal variate. So let us see the statement. Suppose f is a normal variate with parameter mu and sigma square. Then the linear combination of a random variable x, ax plus b follows normal with parameters a mu plus b and a square sigma square, where a and b are any constants. So we shall start with the proof of the result. Let y equal to ax plus b. We shall define a new variable y as linear combination of x, ax plus b. Now consider the MGF of y. The MGF, moment generating function of y. Then we get MYT by definition of MGF is equal to expectation of e raised to ty, which is equal to, put the value of y, expectation e raised to t ax plus b. Then mxt equal to expected value of e raised to axt plus bt. Since b into t is constant, we can take it outside as e raised to bt, expected value of e raised to axt. This is equal to e raised to bt into expectation of e raised to ax into t. By observing this expression, expectation e raised to ax into t, we know that this expression is nothing but the MGF of ax at t, max t. But we know that as x follow normal with parameter mu sigma square, then its MGF, which we have already learned in the previous lecture. If student want to learn that topic, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also mentioned in the description below. Here we have obtained MYT, MGF of a random variable y. Let me call it as equation number 1 for our further reference. If x follow normal mu sigma square, then the MGF can be written as mxt is equal to e raised to mu t plus t square upon 2 into sigma square. This is equation number 2. Put value from equation 2. Put value from equation 2 in equation 1. We get myt is equal to e raised to bt into e raised to mu into at plus at square divided by 2 into sigma square. In the equation 1 we substitute at at the place of t. So this is equal to e raised to a mu t plus bt plus a square t square by 2 sigma square. Now I will take a constant t common from this term, which is equal to e raised to a mu plus b into t plus t square by 2 a square sigma square. This is the MGF of y. By observing the MGF of y, we observe that the resultant MGF is nothing but the MGF of a normal variate. Hence, from the uniqueness theorem of MGF, the random variable y must follow a normal distribution with parameters a mu plus b and a square sigma square. Therefore, y follows normal with a mu plus b and a square sigma square. Hence, if x follow a normal distribution with parameters mu sigma square, then its linear combination must follow a normal with parameters a mu plus b and variance is a square sigma square. Hence the result. This is the result of linear combination of normal variate. In this lecture, we learn what is linear combination of a normal variate and what is its distribution. Further, we have already complete taken a derivation of the distribution of linear combination of a normal variate ax plus b with a and b are constants. In the previous lectures, we have already learned many more concepts from the normal distribution. If a student want to learn all the terms from normal distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is also mentioned in the description below. In the Learn Statistics channel, many more concepts are already discussed on continuous distribution, some standard discrete distribution, measures of central tendency, basic of statistics, and many more. If a student want to learn all that chapters, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and a link of all the playlists are given in the description below. If a student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept from the normal distribution. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.